Don't you notice how I get quiet when there's no one else around? Me and you and awkward silence. Don't you dare look at me that way. I don't need reminders of how you don't feel the same. Oh, the burning pain, listening to you harp on about some new soulmate. She's so perfect, blah, blah, blah. Oh, how I wish you'd wake up one day. Run to me, confess your love. At least just let me say that when I talk to you, won't you bed walks right through and shoots right out through my heart. And I sound like a loon, but don't you feel it to confess I loved you from the start? What's a girl to do, lying on my bed staring into the blue? Unrequited, terrifying love is driving me a bit insane. Have to get this off my chest. I'm telling you today that when I talk to you, won't you bed walks right through and shoots right out through my heart. And I sound like a loon, but don't you feel it to confess I love you from the start? Confess I loved you, just thinking of you. You know I've loved you from the start.
Stay for the ride, 'cause all the views will be nice. Lend the stories that we'll tell our friends. We'll make him laugh until the party ends. Oh, won't you stay for the ride? It's do or die. Let's turn this 10 into 11 and make a jump to 7th heaven. Shopping carts and chronic pain. I'm 9 years over drinking age. Is this how mom said it would be? 'Cause if so, I've got sights to see. Strawberry fields and impossible highs. Looking for purpose and what else to find. Hope for the best, no, I'm wasting my time. Can't let these chances get out of my life. Once again, I won't be sitting and be living in the innocence. Watching all the souls out of sin, the bottom sinking, waiting for something to happen. Oh, won't you stay for the ride? 'Cause all the views will be nice. And the stories I will tell our friends will make them laugh until the party ends. Oh, won't you stay for the ride? It's do or die. Let's turn this 10 into 11 and make it jump to 7th heaven.
Minimum wage, putting minimal effort. Could hold on for money and waste my potential. Skin rotting further, though I'm not a relic. Relate with the elderly, bones are upsetting. I try so hard, and it's just so much work. Hell, I've lived in my car for days and weeks. It hurts that I can do so much and never get that far. Yet still I'm pushing for something. I'm moving to something. Wait, I'm sick of waiting for y'all. I'm done with wasting my time. Don't got that much to live for. Let's go for one hell of a ride. I'm sick of waiting for y'all. I'm done with wasting my time. Don't got that much to live for.
Oh, won't you stay for the ride? 'Cause all the views will be nice, and the stories that we'll tell our friends will make them laugh until the party ends. Oh, won't you stay for the ride? It's do or die. Let's turn a 7 to 11 and make it just a 7 heaven.
Cause when our eyes lock, it's like my heart stops.
It only took me a moment, and now I'm a prison to your touch. Whoa. I don't know where it's going now, but I know I need your love. Now I'll always be here, I won't ever run, cause you took the air right out of my lungs. I lose my breath when you're walking in, cause when our eyes lock, it's like my heart stops. I lose my breath when you're walking in. You make my knees drop. It's like I'm in shock. Now all I think about is how my world turned upside down. I lose my breath when you're walking in, cause when our eyes lock, it's like my heart stops. Right now I feel like dying in a line of times when you walk in the room. Freezing but you're steaming. You catch my breath every time you make a move. Can you be a part of my life? Girl, I need you right by my side. When I look at your eyes, I'm out of breath. Now I'll always be here, I won't ever run, cause you took the air right out of my lungs. I lose my breath when you're walking in, cause when our eyes lock, it's when my heart stops. I lose my breath when you're walking in. You make my knees drop. It's like I'm in shock. Now all I think about is how my world turned upside down. I lose my breath when you're walking in, cause when our eyes lock, it's like my heart stops. Oh, I feel like there's something coming over me. I feel like there's something coming over me. Oh, I feel like there's something coming over me. Over me, over me. Your lips on my lips make me lose my baby, keep them there till the noise in my chest. I lose my breath, I lose my breath when you're walking in, cause when your eyes lock, it's like my heart stops. I lose my breath when you're walking in. You make my knees drop. It's like I'm in shock. Now all I think about is how my world turned upside down. When you're walking in, cause when your eyes lock, it's like my heart stops.
Baby, I lose my breath. Yeah. don't let go when you've had enough. I'm on my knees. Baby, I've been there before. I was at the point where all I really wanted was someone, and now I'm still hanging on. I was at the end of every tether, waiting for what once was.
we never shared. In the shadows, in the dark, did you really care at all? In the echoes of our past, I'm searching for a sign. Did your words hold meaning, or was it all just a lie? Was it true, the way you look into my eyes, promises of forever under starless skies? Was it true, the way we laughed and cried in this maze of memories? I'm lost, I can't decide. Was it true, the way your touch set me on fire? Burning passion, unquenchable desire. But now I'm left with questions, doubts inside my mind. Was it all a cleverly designed ride? Was the love we felt real or a fleeting dream? Yeah. Tell me, darling, was it true? Was it all a scheme? I do not know how I'm supposed to keep it
似た数の人がむやみやたらと林立てるよ。じゃ結局誰が悪いのかなんて知らぬどんでぬ見方なし。
人の背に立つあなたの目、その目が嫌い。またアンチでつぶやくひがみたち、それ勝っても負っても痛みなし。何も作れないまま、何も得られないままで、さあ何度も繰り返せその価値のない I miss you。 うわっほふくぜと惨めなやからに唾吐いて、軽く一瞬哀れみ込めた愛の酸が気にならない、気づきもしない、笑ってしまうぜ不完全体。この意味がわかるまではただ静かに笑ってんだ。これをやめろだそうか分かってて死ねてこったな。実の親さえも泣かせちゃった俺の全部を暗いな心してけど一番右の誰かなし。Oh baby ただ笑ってて板の上のタイツ俺をそういつかは飼いならすほど待ちでデーモンレミと師匠西の魔女送るリスペクト、ガチで実証再会経ての真のじゃ好みじゃない話したくない狂ってもがいたに3年後シャロンなどかき消すほどほら誰もが笑ってんだ。たちは今もまだ心を強く握って苦しませる、笑われる笑わせるの水張り落として聞かせてやるだからこの名前くらいは覚えて帰れ。うわっはっはっはほふくぜと惨めなやからに唾吐いて、軽く一瞬哀れみ込めた愛の酸がやめてちょうだい予定調和などつまらぬさ。系列上等これが答えだ文句あるかい。生かしか乗るか反るか打算的人生上半生降りはせず残り続けただ雨ざらしだって一人泣いたって手林はなって